Hello students, today we learn about outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In previous video we learned about inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and also discussed about Jupiter. Today again I am starting from Jupiter. Jupiter is known as Brihaspati, is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so large that about 1300 Earth can be placed inside this giant planet. However, the mass of the Jupiter is about 318 times that of our Earth. So, gravity of the Jupiter is also much more than that of the Earth. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. It takes about 10 hours to complete one rotation about its axis. And it is a gas giant. So you can think so massive it is and how much the speed. As a result, the tornado of gas can be seen on the Jupiter's surface. The surface of the Jupiter is made up of hydrogen and helium gas and also different colors of cloud, which gives the surface a striped formation, and different colors of stripe we can see along with the red spot. This red spot are nothing but the tornado of gas. Jupiter has the largest number of satellites, more than 75. It also has faint rings around it. These faint rings are not can be seen by naked eyes. You can easily recognize Jupiter as it appears quite bright in the sky. And a few days ago we have seen Jupiter and Saturn near to each other in the night sky. If you observe it with the help of telescope, you can also see 4 of its large moon. In this figure you can see the 4 large moon is seen, and Ganymede is the largest one. NASA has sent many spacecraft and artificial satellite to observe Jupiter, where Voyager, Cassini, Juno, these are the spacecraft which are sent by NASA to study more about Jupiter and its atmosphere. The largest moon of the Jupiter, Ganymede, is larger than Mercury. You are familiar with the equator of the Earth. The plane of the equator is called equatorial plane. The plane in which the Earth revolves around the Sun is called orbital plane of the Earth. These two planes are inclined to each other at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This means that the axis of Earth is inclined to its orbital plane at an angle of 66.5 degrees. In this picture, student, you can see the orbital plane which are depicted by here the grey color plane and equatorial plane. This equatorial plane means the plane which passes through the equator, is denoted by dotted elliptical path. So these two planes are not same. They are inclined by 23.5 degrees. That means the axis of the rotation of the Earth is not same as that of the orbital axis. So it is inclined by 66.5 degrees. And for this inclination, different seasons throughout the year we can see on the Earth's surface. I have an idea. If you take a large ball which can accommodate about 1300 peas, then the ball will represent Jupiter and 1 pea will represent Earth. Yes. So, with respect to the Earth, Jupiter is much larger. Saturn. Beyond Jupiter is Saturn, which appears yellowish in color. What makes it unique in solar system is its beautiful ring. There are many rings about the Saturn can be seen. These rings are not visible with naked eyes. You can observe them with a small telescope. Saturn also has a large number of satellites. Among these satellites, Titan is the larger one. And about Saturn, there are 500 to 1000 rings present. These rings are made up of particles very small to large one, and the particles may be of asteroids or rocks, and the rocks of different colors also can be seen by the reflection of the sunlight from these rings. Saturn density is very less, and it is less than water. One interesting thing about Saturn is that it is the least dense among all the planets. Its density is less than that of the water. Yes, it is also a gas giant, and the scientists believe that the core of the Saturn is hard, but above the core there is a thick gas surface which is made up of methane, a little bit of water, and also present helium and hydrogen. There is a methane ocean seen on the Saturn's surface. The temperature is so less that the gas methane are present here in the liquid formation. Now Bhujo is thinking that if we imagine Saturn in a large pool of water, then it will float. Yes, student, we know that an object floats on a liquid when the density of the object is less than the density of the liquid in which it is immersed. So if we think a large pool of water, then Saturn will float. Uranus and Neptune. Now student, you have seen the 7 planets except Earth. There are no sign of life, and the outer planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, there is no chance of life on them. Neptune and Uranus, these are the outermost planet of the solar system. They can be seen only with the help of large telescopes, and their orbital path is very large. Uranus is the coldest planet with 27 small satellites or moon. It appears to be spin on its sides. The most remarkable feature of the Uranus is that it has highly tilted rotational axis. A rotational axis is about 90-degree tilted. Like Venus, Uranus also rotates from east to west. So these very features are different from other planets. So its rotational axis is so highly tilted that it seems that it is rolling on its orbital path. For the presence of methane, it appears to be bluish green. It has also faint rings, and temperature minimum sometimes reaches to minus 224.2 degree Celsius. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the